Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to give you free outfit hack on Dress to Impress. Okay, for today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you how we can create cute chubby cat hat. So you can go to this area on Dress to Impress and you can grab this bear hood. Okay, you can equip this item. Alright, and you're going to make it matte. So you can go to this option and select matte, and I'm going to grab this item as well. Okay, and then I'm going to grab this ribbon. Alright, and I'm gonna select this earphone. Okay, and it will create something like this, and now it's time to add the cat ear. Okay, oops, sorry, I picked the wrong item. Wait, I'm going to remove it. I'm gonna add this ear, and I'm going to change the color to white. Okay, select white, and this is the final result. Okay, that's so cute, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to create cute chubby cat hat on Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.